So hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Gold Update where we analyze gold for possible intraday entries. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a 4-hour time frame chart. We need a daily time frame chart. So in daily time frame, as per our expectation, price just sweep this liquidity, test this area and break above. Then we have this breakout structure. Here around 4630. So this full zone is now a buy zone. So price is likely to test this area and again pump, and target will be 4745 near this area. As we know, we were expecting price to test this area and pump towards this high around 4730, and then the price of this zone is around 4710. So this zone is full target zone for our this rally, and whenever price completes its target and rejects, it's in consolidation phase like this one here. See this, and same target we are getting on all the time frame, that 4718, 30 and 9. So this full zone will be our targeted area. After this zone we can see a major pullback. Why this is important? Because whenever price hit its targeted area, there is a significant pullback. See, and mostly the rally will be the same in length. So if we measure this rally from here to here and put it over here, then our target is coming near about 5000 here. So we will see some retracement and again pump towards 5000. This will be our target. So in daily time frame, we have a breakout structure and we have this another breakout structure. We have this massive demand here from this zone. So if we get breakdown of this zone and test near about this daily time frame around 4590, here 4549 to 4531, it will be again a good opportunity to buy for the recent high and 4730 price, because for this area the target is also coming near about 4730, near this one. And if you want to bring it more down, the nearer 30 price is coming from this zone, our first retest area here. And 1.618 is near about 4730. So first buying zone is this one around 4643 to 4626. After this test, we will see another pump towards 4730. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, it is having the same price action we were having here, creating a liquidity, then price sweep that liquidity after a big range and then a massive pump. And this is what we are having here too. Again, price will test FVG and Structural level, this is our FVG, and structural level price will test 50% of FVG, structural level and pump. We have structural level and this is our FVG. So if we see the 50% of this FVG is near about 4628, which is this one here. So possible price will test this 50% area of FVG and pump again. We will be watching for this one here. You can see this was a pinpoint test of this 50% area. So this will be our POI here. So now direction is clear. It is still want to go upside. Now we will see in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we have a demand here from where price is continuously bouncing from yesterday. See this? And this is the supply from where price is continuously getting rejected. So this is our range. Price need a liquidity. Whenever price range, it means price don't have liquidity to push upside again. It need a sweep, and we have the highest liquidity area here around 4652. So we will see a massive drop here. Even if price drop to this zone, it will be a buy opportunity, and if price go upside here, create a breakout structure and then again reject like this one. It created a breakout structure and again consolidate, then drop. Same thing can happen here, but we will be waiting for this area here. It is good for buying purpose. So in gold, we are waiting for confirmation, and here we have this supply. See, this supply is clear here, so we can see a test rejection again. If the test happens and it rejects, it will be a short opportunity towards 4661. Price is bouncing from this zone. This is clear range. So in gold, wait for sweep, test of this area, then there will be a massive momentum to upside like this one here. Now let's see silver. So in silver, we finally have a new breakout structure in daily time frame here. Actually, this is not a breakout structure, it is just a breakout structure in 4 hour time frame. In daily, we don't have any significant retracement. This is a single candles which are still smaller than the previous one, so it is not a retracement. According to daily time frame, this is the breakout structure around 84 here. This is 4 hour structure, and according to 4 hour structure, this is our breakout structure and price is trying to hold this area. First buying zone is this one and price is already below it, so wait for another 4 hour candle to close above, then on the test it can pump, and our target was 95, and which is missed by some pip. Now if price pump from here, it will test 100, and after the 100 there will be a massive push. So we will watch for the setup. If price flip back above here, then I will be watching for again the breakout structure and buying towards 100, and if price drops, this zone is still good to buy here. around 87.9 to 86.4. Now let's see BTC. BTC is still bullish. In daily time frame we have this channel running here, and as I said that whenever a asset falls and have a first correction, it will create a bear flag pattern, then it break below it and drop more. Our major buying area is still at 70, which was our previous ATH here. So this is our major buying area from where price can test and pump. Because we have a weekly order block still pending there, this is swing buy areas. The same price action was happening here. You can clearly see that price did not break below first major drop, then created a bear flag, break below that bear flag and a massive drop. After the drop, it tested the previous ATH and then pump. The previous ATH is here, so the pump can lead to test of this area, and we will see another ATH after this one. Now let's see Ethereum. Ethereum having the same price action. This is our bear flag. So if price drop below here, the buying zones are near this area. $1,700 and $1,385. After this test, you will see a strong upside momentum in Ethereum towards 5,000, and on the break, because this is a yearly resistance, so on the break of this 5,000, you will see Ethereum near about 7,500. This will be our next ATH in Ethereum. Because if we put from top to bottom, first target is 7,700 and second is near about 13,900. So we will take first target near about this one, then there will be some retest retracement. DXY is acting same as we expected. The rejection from this red zone is coming here, and in 4-hour time frame, once we have break of this low, the downtrend will be confirmed, and then we will see DXY near this zones here around 96 again. GBP is bearish. We have a daily time frame change of character here. After that, price is testing resistance area. Now this is the first resistance from where price can again drop, and now GBP can drop to us first this area here 1.30, and below that in monthly time frame the breakout structure is this one. So if this area doesn't hold, it will test this area around 1.25. And see this one. It is a rising wedge. So possible again drop to this area and pump. AUD is bullish, and as we expected in our previous slide, price just did the same thing. It tested this area and pumped towards this high. Now on the break above and retest, it will pump for this zone. Like this. Euro is bullish, back above trend line, and this is the trend line which was running from the top. So once we have the test of this zone again, you can buy for this high. If you want a confirm entry, wait for this change of character. So that's it guys, this is for today. I'm still expecting price to test this zone which is pending here in daily time frame after the breakout structure. So we will be watching for some retracement again and the same price action which was happened here, a big liquidity sweep and then an impulsive move which can happen here again. After a liquidity sweep there will be a massive upside momentum. Our targets will be 4730 to 25. This zone will be our targeted area. So that's it guys, hope you understand. If you have any question you can ask me. So no questions. Okay then, I hope you guys understand today's plan. Wait for this range to break above or below, then you can take entry. Before that you can play this range by having stop loss above and stop loss below, just in top to bottom. What are the entries and exit you are looking for DXY? In DXY I am waiting for this change of character. It is already in downtrend. As you can see in 1 hour time frame, price is in downtrend here. This was the last breakout structure in 1 hour time frame. So once we have this change of character in 1 hour time frame, it will be good to target these zones. Price will continue moving downside. As you can see, this is low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, and I want price to continue this momentum and break this low. Once I have a 4 hour change of character, I will be watching for the momentum like this. This will be our QMS zone and this static resistance. So after the change of character, what will happen? It will test this area and drop like this. That's why I'm waiting for Euro to create this too. Same thing. It will be slow week guys, don't expect much here. Gold is still will be continuing a consolidation, because whenever we have a ATH, price usually don't give a nice price action. So this after the ATH range and drop, after a massive drop, the price action resumes to normal. See this? After a massive drop, price action resumes to normal. And this is just a ADH. Now, once we have a massive drop, then price will consolidate, create some base for the next rally, and then it will continue its momentum. Before that, you will see the price action here. Same thing will be all over here. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.